Today, I'll show you how to deposit USDT in Exness from Binance. Before you start, log into your Exness Personal Area and open the Deposit section. Exness says you should choose a payment method from the options available in your region, and deposits can vary by limits and processing time. Exness also states that third-party payments are not allowed, so the Binance account or wallet you use should belong to you and match your Exness account details where required. Next, select the cryptocurrency deposit option in Exness and choose USDT if it is available. Exness will then show you the deposit details you need, such as the wallet address and the supported network. This step is very important because the network on Exness must match the network you choose when sending from Binance. Now open Binance and go to your wallet, then choose Withdraw for USDT. Binance's official guide says to use on-chain withdraw, paste the recipient address, and then select the correct network before entering the amount. Double-check the address and the network carefully, because sending USDT on the wrong network can cause the funds to be lost. After that, confirm the withdrawal in Binance and complete any security verification. Then go back to Exness and wait for the deposit to be credited to your trading account. Exness says the general deposit flow is to select the method, enter the required fields, confirm the summary, and follow the on-screen steps until the deposit is complete. One final tip: always check the minimum deposit amount in your Exness Personal Area before sending funds, especially if this is your first deposit. Exness says minimums can depend on your account type and registered region. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.